morning, campers. It's time for us to get back on the road, but before I do that, brakes. Interesting. Both my wheels turning? Yeah, how about on the right? Yeah, alright, that was interesting. Alright, one of my brakes was a little bit stuck. My air entirely deflated while we were here, but it seems to have been cleared now. Let's just go ahead and do a quick full press of the brake pedal just to get my brakes all nice and adjusted. I've got to go back to my apartment real quick and double check, make sure I locked the door before we leave. And then we can hit the road. Are you coming in here, buddy? Yeah. So, first things first. Gotta go double check my apartment. I'm gonna use my bathroom too before I leave, to be entirely honest. We are trying something a little bit different coming off of this particular home time. Normally I take either 295 or I-95 north to get to our customer, or the one place where I drop the empty trailers, the Tyson. But, uh-oh, that's not good. But today, if we take 295's kind of out of route, and 95 is going to be packed because it's early afternoon, or it's kind of middle of the evening rush hour right now. So we're on Virginia Route 288, which is a lovely loop freeway that goes around the west side of Richmond. Typically not a better alternative to 295 because it doesn't have as many lanes and it tends to have a bit more traffic. But it comes out pretty close to where Interstate 295 meets Interstate 64. So this should prove to be a suitable alternative to going through downtown to get us close to the Tyson. So we'll see if this is potentially a faster route as well, because we are able to keep our speed up. The speed limits on this road are considerably higher than on I-95 through downtown. We get to stay at 62 on this road, speed limit being 65 and whatnot, versus 55 through downtown Richmond for like 20 miles. So, or, well, more like 10 miles. Like 10 miles at 55. So this might actually save us a couple minutes over that. Okay, slight change of plans. The trailer that we just got from Tyson is damaged, so we are now taking it to Pittston, Pennsylvania to get repaired rather than picking up this load we were on. So I'm pretty okay with that. I don't particularly care either way where I go, as long as I go. And dealing with this will score the company some good points with Prime. So everybody wins. Prime gets their empty trailer fixed. I get some miles. Palmer gets some points with the guys that run Prime. So everybody wins. Except the people, or except whoever winds up picking up the load that I can't do. Which we might very well possibly come back down here tomorrow and get the load, because we're only doing 340 some miles up to Pittston, and if they decide they want me to still take this load that we're on, I can turn around and make over half the distance back tonight and pick up the load tomorrow. It'll be delayed a little bit, but no big deal. Alright, here we go. DC Beltway. Easy Maxwell, we're catching up with traffic. DC Beltway, middle of the night. Should be fine. Probably. or they'll just be really fast and leave me behind. That works too. I'm a-okay being the slowest person out here. So yeah, this is the DC Beltway. The way the signs are shown, Interstate 95 traffic is supposed to go on the eastern loop around Washington, D.C. Hello, trooper. What are you trying to do? Alright, what's going on here? Trooper is confusing traffic. Everybody's slowing down even though nobody was speeding. Oh, speed limit 55. Maybe they were all speeding. Okay. Sure. Drawbridge, 5.5 miles, no big deal. Easy, Maxwell. We're gonna kind of hang out here because I think there's a split up ahead near the drawbridge where through traffic gets to go on some express lanes that are not tolled. So we want those if they are available. Easy, Maxwell. Did not need to slam the brakes there. The guy's not going that slow. Alright, time to cross the Potomac, and Maxwell and me, that means drawbridge time. Do not worry, I have never seen this drawbridge open. So right now, right here, we are in Washington, D.C., and we're in Maryland. There's like just this little tiny sliver of D.C. that we go through right here, crossing the Potomac. Ooh, Ferris wheel off to the right, that's cool. And then once we hit, it's actually like somewhere right around here, we're in Maryland already. We only get a very tiny chunk of Washington, D.C. on this route, but it's enough for me to count it. So, you know, 175, 175, 175, 175, 175. Ooh, ooh, ooh. There we go, 175.
2 miles ahead, take exit 175 to Pennsylvania 315 north.
Excellent, we are almost there. Come on, Maxwell, we gotta get down there and get parked because I am fading so fast. I'm gonna talk to myself to keep alert, and I'm just worried. I don't want to be out driving now. I honestly, I would have stopped like an hour ago if we weren't so dang close to this place. So we're pushing it. We're pushing it later than I would like to drive. So we are going to get here, and then I need to sleep very, very soon. We are in Pittston, Pennsylvania. About to exit Interstate 81 and pop over to the Prime Yard, where we are going to drop this trailer, and I found out a couple hours ago we are just going to stay in Pittston. We are not going to get an empty trailer and go back to Virginia. We are going to stay here, so that works. They'll find somebody else to do the load we were originally assigned. Hello, car on shoulder. Yeah, somebody else will take care of that, since I've got this damaged trailer. Turn that off. Okay, get to the Prime Yard, get rid of this trailer. Get some rest.
400 feet ahead, keep right on Keystone Avenue.
Sleep.
.2 miles ahead, 0.2 miles ahead, turn left on Armstrong Road.
I don't see any lane lines here. I'm sure they... Oh, there's two. There's some dotted lines. Okay. Left lane, turn left. Got it. And there's the double yellow. Okay. Lines are not completely invisible here. Just mostly.
0.2 miles to 135 Armstrong Road on the left.
Just mostly invisible. Signal our intent to turn.
Approaching 135 Armstrong Road on the left.
I wouldn't have missed fifth gear. Alright, good job, me. There we go. Got sixth. Nobody coming out? Nobody coming out. Lane. We don't want the bobtail lane. We want this lane. And a yoink. Whew. We made it. Alright. I'll see you guys tomorrow. My name is Eliodare, AzerAngel17 on Twitch, Xbox Live, and Steam. Drop in and say hi. Let me know if you enjoy the videos by clicking like and subscribe and whatnot. You can leave comments below the videos and so on and so forth. And of course, Twitter is the best place to get a hold of me, at Eliodare, no apostrophe. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day as I roll into this inspection bay.